drill, press safety. Starting Jacob Hugo. No, Jacob.
Make sure all cars up top are secure.
Before you turn it on, use the chuck key to tighten the bit and run it to make sure it's straight. Like so. Do a little bit of this. Oh.
I'll show you the check key there.
Make sure you got it tight, straight. And you take this chuck key thing, do over this action. She's ready to drill.
Always leave the excess wood to the left, so if your wood starts to spin, you won't be hit.
Never leave the machine with the bit left on the drill. So you do so. We just tighten the other way, like this. But it will be very hot, so try to avoid touching it at all costs. Or you can do so.
Always clamp your wood down. This will stop it from spinning. Like so.
You did, Mr. Guard. You had your wood in here and it got stuck, it starts spinning. What you do is you don't just leave and you don't grab it, or you'll be like this and then you'll have a bad day. And you click the stop button and you'll go get help by your supervisor.
Stop is the red one.